Namaste everyone, and how are you? Today is Raksha Bandhan, but I'm also packing because we are heading to a new country. I'm filming this intro thoda early because I need to still pack things up and get things going, but I'm super excited because it's my first time in Europe. So I'm going to take you along with me on this journey of exploring this new country and what all do we have in store. So stay tuned. So ये रहे हमारे bags and then carry-ons. I'm also ready. I usually don't wear sleeveless during traveling or flights. It's hot, so I don't know. I have my extra pair of clothes with me, so we are good to go. आ गए हैं Dahanu station. हेलो।
तो ये हो रहा है सनसेट और हम जा रहे हैं
So we have made it to Borivali and it's time to now take the cab. So after almost 30 minutes of waiting, multiple ride cancellations, we are finally in the cab. That's how it is, especially because we needed an SUV and XL and the frequency maybe is lesser, so it kind of took time to book and confirm on one. कुछ में तो book होने के बाद I would get a call and them telling me that oh, it's not an SUV, it's a sedan. So just FYI, if you're ever booking an XL, always call and confirm the vehicle so that you are safe and good to go. Hello to Mumbai traffic, and it's going to take us almost an hour now to reach. That's that. Of course, the never-ending traffic. Okay, we are entering the airport.
આપણે ત્યાં હોઈશું ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડે.
Yes, we have made it at the airport. I've made it here. आ गए अंदर. Super simple, nice, easy. And अब check in करेंगे. So the issue is कि आज Swiss Air के web check-in portal में we were not able to web check-in. So every information that I was putting, which is correct in my knowledge, they are saying does not match with the already provided information. Already provided information में सिर्फ date of birth और नाम गया था. So I'm kind of confused why that happened, and my friend suggested, you know what, don't play around with that, क्योंकि system में कुछ डाल दोगे, कुछ गड़बड़ होगा तो यहाँ के desk पे और issue होगा. So we were not able to like proper web check-in. So I have not been able to even select our seats. So I'm kind of trying to rush, you know, कि उस way में we can just get to the window and check our bags in and then get our seats. So that's where we are. This not. That's me mandatorily. Finishing pani before security check. So our immigration is also done. So today's check-in was the longest check-in I ever had. These guys were so slow. I don't know why, what was taking them so long. Maybe because the checking and check-in process of the Swiss Airlines is a little stringent. They are very particular about your baggage, your dimensions and all of those things. Maybe उसकी वजह से ज़्यादा time लगा. But आज का security check-in immigration was like smooth like butter. So super happy now. Yeah, we are heading to the lounge and थोड़ा खाएंगे, chill करेंगे, आराम करेंगे. That's it. So we are finally in the lounge. And the lounges have started to get really full. So literally हमारे entry के वक्त that lady was telling us, ये देखो हमारा view. She was telling us, you will have to find yourself a place to sit. Weird, times have changed. This is what I got. So there are so many options. See, ये सारा कुछ है. You can get whatever you need. But this is all I got, simple suite, and they have this entire place to sit. This is something I ended up liking. इसके अलावा the chicken and rice is also good. But this cake, I'm not a red velvet fan, but it tastes bomb. Of course, it is time for some coffee. Prepping myself for some dehydration. I don't know why, but I always have to do it. Is it only me or even you guys find it satisfying to watch a coffee maker? Anyways, that's that. ये कॉफ़ी लेके जाओगी और अगले हाफ एन आवर में आई नीड टू गेट गोइंग टू माई गेट. मैं सोची थी यूट्यूब पर वीडियो एडिट करके डाल दूँगी, बट आई डिड नॉट फाइंड द टाइम फॉर इट. सो या, ओह हो गया, कूल. दैट्स माई कॉफ़ी. Cheers. Let's go and annoy my parents. Hi, babe. Coffee. You're late, bro. Where are you going? अच्छा, I am sitting, huh? So हम lounge से time पे ही निकले. We are at our gate and the boarding is starting, I guess. समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे. So let's see. Hello. That is the airlines, Swiss, and we are now headed. Yes. Let's go. New trip. This is my 10th country, and I'm so excited. Beyond pumped. Yeah, this is what I want. 34J it is. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. Wow, look at the flight, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is business class. अब हम हमारी सीट की तरफ जाएंगे. Oh, so economy in this flight is divided into two. So this is the first sub part. So this is the first part of it, and then you go behind. Focus on this. This is what I like the most. Thank you. So now we enter into the economy. So yeah, look at that. Mine is 34. So काफ़ी बड़ा है ये. So you see the seat dimension is 242, which is something that I really am impressed with. Yeah, so what I was explaining is plane ka orientation is 242. So 2 seats by the window, then we have 4 in the middle, and then again 2. This aircraft is so beautiful. So I already have good vibes entering in here. So it's great. I'm going to give you more reviews about this airlines. So stay tuned. So let's get into what's here. Of course, we have a screen. They give you a pillow, just where I'm बैठी हूँ. They give you a blanket, and then they give you your earphones. Okay, so this is an Airbus. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so that's what you get.
My name is Ivan.
So they're actually sharing these goodies with the kids. How cute is that? मुझे भी दे दो, कोई मैं भी बच्ची हूँ.
Gli ordini impartiti dal personale di bordo e il regolamento devono essere seguiti sempre. La ringraziamo per la sua attenzione.
souvenirs like chocolates, which is really very cute. Thank you. So this is what it is. Wow.
Make sure you have all your belongings before you leave the aircraft. We hope that
फ्लाइट मस्त ना, इट्स ओके। वो फ्लाइट लैंड हो रही थी ना, पर टाइम यस एंड we've made it to Switzerland. On a Swiss module. That's that. We have made it here. So happy. It feels so good. New country number 10. We have landed. So the idea is to do time pass because my brother is flying in. It will take him 4 more hours. So हमने वाले सोचा था हम बाहर जाएंगे at some bakery, but now we have dropped because bags बहुत ज़्यादा है, so we don't want to do that. So plan is to wait at the airport. I'm going to track his flight soon. So अभी time pass करेंगे, धीरे-धीरे जाएंगे, and I'll keep you posted on the customs procedure and how things work. Look at that, oh my god, this is crazy. So much of rush. वो runway है and oh damn, that's crazy. So once you come down, baggage claim के लिए you have to take a train. अभी वहाँ से train गई, so next train is from here. So this is how you go for your baggage claim. Sky Metro.
Zur Gepäckausgabe und zum Ausgang Gleis 2. Next departure to gates A, B and D. The baggage claim and the exit track 2.
Boom, that's how it is. मम्मी रुक।
Willkommen am Flughafen Zürich. Dieser Zug bringt Sie zu den Gates A.
Look out the window.
मम्मी धीरे।
Wow, I can't get enough of it.
Wow, so there is someone speaking in the background and now they are showing this display.
I have to go. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Wow, that was amazing.
Goodbye, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen.
There are different gates, but mostly, yeah, you have to head there for our baggage. And now it's time for immigration. So let's go. Baggage claims and all of the checks. Nice. We are at the baggage claim. The longest walk to a baggage claim. नहीं, मुंबई एयरपोर्ट जितना तो नहीं है. Mumbai airport is even more insane. But yeah, good, interesting. Maza aaya. And this was so smooth. Their immigration is so much easier than Japan. Because मैं recent Japan गई थी, तो I can, you know, kind of compare. You just have to show your passport. They'll ask you a few questions, and that's that. Okay guys, तो मैं ना वाईफाई कनेक्ट करने का ट्राई कर रही थी, जो हो नहीं रहा था. So apparently OTP जो आना चाहिए वो आ नहीं रहा था, तो they have वाईफाई. ये देखो. So यहाँ पे ना अपना बोर्डिंग पास स्कैन करना होता है. I'll show you. And then apparently it will generate a code. So let me take out my boarding pass. ये रहा. ठीक है. पहले क्या बोला, ID. बोर्डिंग पास को ये स्कैन. Okay. Oh, simple. And now I have the code to connect my Wi-Fi. Bomb. I love this. So something weird happened. I stepped out. Not stepped out. I just went to see near the arrival arrow to see कि उधर क्या हो रहा है. Is there a place to sit, chill, eat? Okay, I did not enter the area of exit. I was out and there is 2 ways and I'm looking at it. कि क्या है? I come back to tell my parents about it and the security guard stops me. He's like, you can't go inside. Now mind you, at this point I have Wi-Fi but my parents don't. Their phones were not yet connected. So I tried to explain him that, see, I just came to see her. Even my luggage is not with me. It's inside even if you want me to go out. He's like, no, but you were at exit. Exit heavy nahi. It's just a turn. And he's like, now you can't go back. All of that. And then he asked for my boarding pass, which luckily I always carry it. Always have such bags with you. Okay? It helps. I showed him my boarding pass. I told him I just got my luggage. I'm only trying to see my way out and see how I want to go. He's like, yeah, okay, fine, whatever. I'm going to let you go this time. So be careful if you are at such a airport. So Japan mein it was not like that. Japan mein there's a big area you can explore, you can see what you want to go. यहाँ पे blind spot है, तो मुझे luggage के बाहर कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा कि क्या है क्या नहीं. Is it a direct exit out? Is there something to see or to sit, to have some coffee? मैं वो देखने के लिए गई थी. And that guy was like, oh, you cannot. That's how it is. Why am I sharing it? So you don't do it. And even if you do it, keep your docs with you and be confident. It is what it is. They can't do anything more, right? Of course. So we come out here. Car rental upar hai, check-ins hai. But we have to take train station, so we have to go samne. Check-in 3. Finally out. So वो security guard मुझे अभी भी घूर रहा था. And I came out again. Let's go. Okay. This is Zurich Airport, you guys. So let's go. So my feedback is कि अगर आप आ जाओ, land हो जाओ, तो enter कर लो यहाँ पे, बाहर निकल जाओ, because यहाँ आके you will have things to do. So that's that. ये देखो आ गए हैं हम. ना यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है. यहाँ पे ट्रेन्स है, गेट्स है. See, it's a whole damn shopping mall. Wow. So Migros मैंने पढ़ा था कि ये grocery shopping के it's very famous. So you get it all, you know, flowers, fruits, veggies. You're gonna find it all. क्या ही fancy चीज़ है. So yeah, sure. So they are making the buns right here. Wow, it's a paradise for bread lovers. Look at all kind of breads. Amazing. Look at this. So good. Yeah. Damn, this is meats. Then they have cheeses everywhere here. See? That's why the world of cheese, chocolates, breads. So we are getting some groceries here. So it's time to scan for it. So English. Just scan the cumulus code without. नहीं है मेरे पास ये code. Okay. So these are the things that they have. Look at it. So pretty. This is a place you must visit when in Zurich. And ये बहुत सारी जगहों पे है. So don't just think that it's only here at the airport. You can find it in multiple places. So they have an open cafe, then they have their own store. So this is a veggie sandwich. Really good. Had a hearty bite. And then we ordered a shake. And it came with this cute little chocolate, which is the nicest. Amazing, man. Very fresh, very good. Very decent vibes. So this is where we book the ticket from the kiosk, and then you pay from cash or card, and that's my change.
Can we take a ticket for Lucerne and drop at Zurich HB?
Yes.
Joshivani.
But yeah.
But how much time?
But valid beach है ना?
Station.
And whenever the ticket is to Lucerne is valid the whole day. Oh. Okay, so what a system. I took a ticket to Zurich HB only to realize that हमको बाद में Lucerne जाना है. So would it make sense to take a direct ticket to Lucerne? That lady, and she said yes, maybe you can. And if you take a ticket to Lucerne, it's valid till tomorrow 5 AM. So अभी मैं वापस यहाँ पे आई help desk पे. Lately created this number for me to work on the exchange of the ticket. Get exchanged and get one for Lucerne. So many new things travel teaches you, right? I don't know why, but my mom अचानक से asked her, why not a direct ticket to Lucerne? And we get down at Zurich HB. So kudos to my mom. You know that saying, like, the first child is so obedient, knows things, takes the lead. And then there's one like me who does things that annoys the hell out of my parents. And I did it another time. So this issue I told you, right? अब वो बंदी एक पासपोर्ट लेके एक जन का टिकट रेक्टिफाई कर रही है. That means single transaction again, and then she's taking signatures and then handing over a receipt and then a ticket. I'm the queen of messing things around. Crazy. हंसी भी आ रही है और गिल्ट भी हो रहा है. Because my parents for sure are sleepy, they are exhausted, and एक मैं हूँ जो मस्ती मेरी रुक नहीं रही है. But this, thanks to my mom, we saved like 3 Swiss francs per person with this approach. तुम समझ गए ना मैंने क्या बोला? नहीं समझा तो कमेंट कर देना, वापस समझा दूंगी. There we go. The train is here. S16 train. It's mentioned on the train essay. See? And it's a double-decker train. I'll rush because I need to take my bags. See? I'll tell you one issue. अभी मेरे को जाना है 2 स्टॉप. ट्रेन की जगह देखो इतनी सी है. मेरी बैग्स फिट नहीं हुई. तो यहाँ पे जगह है बट 2 स्टॉप के लिए मुझे बैग्स चढ़ानी नहीं है. So yeah, this is our station Zurich HB. यहाँ जाना है हमको. इंटरेस्टिंग नो? So we are finally Zurich it is. Look at that, the color of the water is so unreal. Like, look at it. Wow, that's सुंदर है ना? Do you hear those bells? Yeah, church bells. यहाँ पे बोटिंग भी होती है वैसे एंड उसकी टाइमिंग. सो मैं हूँ अभी प्लैट्सप्रिट्ज पार्क. इसको पहले नीडल पार्क बोलते थे बिकॉज इट वॉज नोन फॉर ड्रंकर्स एंड ड्रग एडिक्ट्स in the 1990s. But I don't think there is still a change after that because abhi bhi I find most people drunk, smoking, just lying around there, which is typically what you don't expect here in a country like this. So I'm still kind of trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure this out. Mixed feelings abhi filhal. Not about the whole country, about this park. It's good to walk around and chill, but if you're coming with your luggage, don't come with your luggage. इसको उठाना बहुत मुश्किल है. कितना प्यारा स्टेशन है ये. लोग It's a beautiful thing. So cute. So when you come to the platform, all the trains are here. This is going to be a long journey to Luzern. Hi guys, so that was the end of episode 1 of my Swiss series. I've not really named it, just saying it out loud. So this was all about, you know, traveling from my hometown to Bombay, flying through Swissair, sharing my experience in the Adani Lounge, as well as my first time flying Swissair, which was really amazing. And of course, navigating that layover time in Switzerland. Not really layover, but my brother was to fly in, as you saw in the video, and we were waiting for him. So quite a beautiful experience. I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, you can drop down. So what can you expect in the next video? Well, we made it here. We were to travel to Luzern and, you know, check in into a hotel and explore a bit around. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe. That way you can watch more of my videos. I know the video length was a little longer, but honestly it was to share every bit of information I can, because I've realized that countries like this, like, it's so expensive and it's so difficult to plan these things, and there is just a not lack of information, but rather जो भी internet पे available है इतना fragmented है. Like for each topic you have to jump to some other channel or to get nuances or, you know, those little details about a place. You have to, you know, keep browsing for more videos, but I want to make it a one-stop thing for you where I can share most of my real experience. That way you can navigate if you want to benefit out of it or skip it or whatever it is. So I hope that helps. Bye bye.